Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about a game-changing prediction. According to EY India, generative AI is set to transform 38 million jobs in India by 2030. Let's break down what this means in just 1 minute. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E isn't just creating art and text. It's revolutionizing industries like IT, healthcare, finance, and even manufacturing. EY India's report predicts that by 2030, 38 million jobs will undergo transformation as AI takes over repetitive tasks and enhances human productivity. This doesn't mean 38 million jobs will disappear. Instead, many will evolve. AI will handle mundane tasks, letting humans focus on creativity, strategy, and innovation. Think of it as an opportunity to upskill and move into higher value roles. Of course, challenges like reskilling workers and bridging the digital divide will be the key. Governments, businesses, and educational institutions must collaborate to prepare for this shift. The bottom line: generative AI isn't just reshaping jobs, it's reshaping the future of work.